Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We continue back. Good. This we deliberately close the diagram because follow and know. You can open now the diagram in name this. You open up. Good. Now only the tables and we will not stop with. Good. We continue with enrollment end now. Now the students don't come. Then the enrollment. From the student's record, would able get all after the interview, the student, the one with the university don't approve for become student and how then they enrolled, do their registration. So can I add table again? Look for the enrollment records. Good. In the enrollment, look at now in this. Good. Even the gender will not be selected from the previous video because the gender of the student as well for student end. Good. Then we get student gender. Good. Then student registration, we can left and first. Now we see. Then we can right click, we say arrange them for we back. You don't change the interface for we. You don't see? So automatically for now we see how it is. I can count this manner so that we will see exactly can here, bottom here. You see how the diagram don't change here. So from here, we get to district. Yeah. Oh, I can't get back. It does the student enrollment. How it relates directly to student. You don't see? Then he gets in grade same. Upon the enrollment, he qualify for getting graded now. So let's see how it look like. You see? Let's see how it look like. You see from the student table, would they get you whether successfully become a student, you know, would you become an enrolled student to the university with some few fields same. You don't see the fields? No worry for see them fields here. When they can code each table, you know all the fields will filter. Good. And we explain line after line in we code. Good. So you don't see? Then from there, you will get you grade. If we want from develop in with desktop, we grade the system now. Automatically, this end don't help we forget a schema on how we student grading with it. So we'll save this one. We'll take them again so we yes, clipboard. Then we come to paint. So we paste them, we save them. So we make a 6, diagram 6. Good. You see, I will don't get to relational database. Good. So in this end, we can now to the registration. Let's say you don't enrolled. Now time don't reach for register. You can have back. You right click add tables. Come to the student registration and student registration. Good. Then the student in preferred area in program also need for become connected. Let me see. Some of them tables are standalone tables and they not link to any. Okay, the distance. They are standalone, they're not auxiliary tables and you see subjects also because you get for count the enrollment, how they relate. I think after all the right there, now standalone table where would they use for security and yeah now for security. Yeah, now for the login, the audit trail, for cache, the mobile login users. Yeah, now for the mobile login, yeah now for the web portal login, yeah for disseminate message to all students, yeah now for go you know track all the versions of the project as well. Yeah, yes. Yeah, now for the student, yeah, for create student in profile in a mobile app, You have to allow from this profile for label login. Here now when they apply, you want to go the access your portal from the application end for whether they take you or they not take you. Let they know. Here now the user log for the system with the log all activities which they happen for security end. Good. Here then the log for the desktop. Here now the log for the portal, the web portal. Here now for log put into user group. What we mean? We want to see all IT students them with access the system. Here all business admin. Here all public sector. Here all apply accounting, something like that. We put them into groups. That end. Now for that entity here now for archive we document them. Then documents already scan for archive them. Here now for we change the institution one for user, let's say in logo, in letterhead, everything about them, so that the application will customize itself for fit to that institution there. And for that's in the for. So we don't need them here, we don't need them here. We just need this whole database. We don't link up to how they relate based on the flow. Good for understander. You can see how the don't extend. If you can a student registration. Student registration, they get a way out to the student record send. You see from the student registration, let's see a link to the correct student ID now. The here where they register all the details, amounts, where if you pay or if you don't pay all, you don't pay all. Good. If you don't have scholarship and you get for tell me the scholarship type, whether na the university or na student card need from Ministry of Education, we need for know. Then the date we register everything. After that end, we can now to hold the enrollment. You see the enrollment in end now. This is not the enrollment in end is proper because the enrollment get for tell you about the subject, you program, good. Then also you grade, good. That's something I want to explain. What do we do? So far we cascade the subject into two. We get, if we just create a single table for subjects, there is a big problem. What does that mean? Let's say I've been in year one. We've been to do accounting for non-accountant as IT students. Then that subject don't become obsolete. But we need to get a record of then details in there. Maybe for reverse back, do reverse engineering or for do course review, we don't pull them. But the long run, we want for print transcript same for the student in there. Meaning once we delete that record, we pull them, all the students will be don't get the grace then everything related to that they all thing they go. So what we do, create an order table called we get subject, we get student subject. So one go there as a backup, one go there or the use tentatively. Now so we create the relationship now for ya. See what happen. Now I make this one now the primary table is. Now I directly link to the subject. You don't see? This one now in link to the subject. Meaning now in they currently make use of. Then this man they get from this other one. I make what can happen when we want for add any subject, now they can add them. So any subject we want for key, we want for make use of, this man, this one, then I add this fetch from this end. This man, they fetch to this man. So for any new subjects we want for add them, for which students what are the credit hours, now we can add them. So automatically this guy they can fetch from this man. And this program where inside which they make it get linked with this program. So but when the students can now, you want for doing registration, you want for doing enrollment registration, what's happen? You know they get linked with this table, they get linked with this man. You don't see? So automatically this they fetch from this and the students grade they fetch from this. Now so we do. You see then the program get in preferred areas. And now we go to software engineering as a program. Then waiting at the preferred area, I go box up out accounting. You know, make no sense. So we try for normalize and to a best possible end, all things say go be okay. So this from this program gets itself connected to student application directly. So now so the relationships then go good. Further, I go smaller, let's see the relationship then. Fine one. So you see how they relate. See how they relate. This guy get relationship with this man, get relationship with this man. Student grade get relationship with student subject and enrollment. You don't see? Then the subject, student subject get relationship with 3 people then. One is we say the source, then the grade, then also the student. But when the student selecting subject, then the subject the title the grade. Good. Then from there, then the students now get linked with the region and the student application. The program link with the student application. You can see this now the diagram, this is the whole diagram. Now in this. So if we copy this one, we can say let's show relationships. Now yeah, it will show you the relationship for the how the primary keys and the foreign keys that what relate to them. You don't see what actually relates to them. So in this end, we can stop with it here now. We come now to the application proper one. I can save this man. I create another diagram for count only the other tables that will be done left. No, we can stop here and get ready because the other tables are standalone tables where I've been on say for explain there right there and one time again. This branch yes, company setting, this digital, the user profile, login, this man, all the right there be seen as standalone tables and program updates, they don't get anything for link to, you know, for just for that you understand and see the login, good. Then the user log, yeah. Then they're right there. Now auxiliary tables and then only there for help we able to get things done. So this and then this. You can see that? They don't get no relationship. So if we talk about relational, non-relational database, this will serve for non-relational, that other one will serve for relational. So let's see. So we don't get 2. The other diagram now relational. This one diagram 0 now relational. This diagram 1 and non-relational. So till we meet again, I will see Tata. Keep relaxed and ready now. Follow we go into the web development proper one.